I'd like to go over quickly two types of question layout, which are the form field and the rank order layout. The first one I'm going to go over is form field, and I'm going to go ahead and actually do this by adding a new block, and then in the lower right hand part of the block I'm going to select add a new question, and the question type I select is form field, and this is just the rough template of the form field. And because I'm clicked on the question, not only is the type displayed here in the question type, but we have the menu for form fields, which is unique to this layout. And then you can add fields if you like. You can take away. You can edit multiple at once. Using suggested form fields, and this is basically contact information, or it's listed as address, but this is available because the form field question is most often used to gather contact information from respondents. So this is a frequent use sort of format. You can put them in the reverse order, and then you can take out the middle ones, and add validation the way you can with others. I haven't played around with this validation, but real quickly, yeah, so the validation will be, we'll go into this in, let me save this for the logic videos, but suffice it to say you can add a conditional validation on this. And then add requirements, the force response, if the participant, only if the participant responds can they move forward in the survey, or just a gentle nudge requesting a response with a yellow warning. And let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. So this is the front part of the survey, what the participant sees, and this is what they see. And one more thing, you can adjust these form field sizes accordingly. It's pretty easy, and according to the just keeping in mind the length of the information you would like submitted. And we can see that those adjustments are reflecting on the front part. For the, I'm going to go ahead and import a block for an example of a rank order question. I know if you're watching this in fall 2021, that there was a one of the blocks that included a rank ordering question. So I'm going to select on the last block that I just went over, import from library, and then going to the block library and finding a ranking order question that's in a block. And I'm going to import that. Okay, so here it is. And this is, if I click on it, again, I see what the question layout type is, which is rank order. I see the rank order menu, and you can likewise add more choices or take them away, and use suggested choices. And these are great. You can pre-formatted available questions for what you want. So some of these questions I don't know how you would I guess I don't know how you would use in ranking, but just go ahead and play around to see if that helps you with your question. And then format. Format, you can change this instead of this is a drag and drop style, and let's go ahead and review how that works. So the participant can rearrange physically. but you do have the option in format to do a radio button indication, and you don't need to move these around. The user just physically selects the ranking that they would like, so it doesn't have to be like that. So it's not a physical drag and drop motion. And then the text box, and which is very similar. And again, you don't drag and drop, you just, like this, you just physically put in the order. And I'm just interested to see if it prevents duplicates. It doesn't. So you could have, I don't know if this is something that you can prevent, but you could have somebody who doesn't play along well and puts in all the same rankings. So not sure if there's a way of validating that. And then, let's see, select the box. And this is similar to the drag and drop. And I'm going to preview this real quick. And instead of physically dragging them by selecting and pushing on your mouse, you go ahead and select it, and then you just use these arrows. And so that was form field and rank order.